Landing pads. Here is my collapsible landing pad that I carry in my drone backpack. It's got a little zippered case. Comes out of the bag and does this. Ready? Opens up to about 3 feet. It's got some tabs here with some spikes, so I can put the spikes in and keeps it to the ground if it's a windy day. I like to, this one costs probably $20 on Amazon. Pretty cheap. You can get smaller ones if you want, 30 inches or whatever. I think that's probably 3 feet across. So I like to use them for a few reasons. Number one, it keeps the dust from blowing up. If it's dusty around, the drone is going to blow up dust. If you're taking off and landing on grass, which is pretty common, it keeps the blades from hitting the grass, and you might get an error from that, and keeps everything nice and smooth. It also makes your flight area look more professional, right? So if someone comes up, they're going to say, okay, you're clearly not trying to hide behind a tree flying a drone. You're out there. Same reason I have the landing vest, the high visibility vest, flight vest. So, shows that I'm loud and proud, right? Yeah, come talk to me if you need to. And the landing pad also gives the drone something to lock into when it first takes off. And so I think it's worth it all the way around. It just kind of helps simplify your mission, and it's a good idea for safety and for keeping your drone running properly, and it's a good idea. So for the $15-20, totally worth it. So get yourself a landing pad and a vest. All right, good.